So here we start the third cleanup drive of our campaign, cleaning places. Starting from the small path on the shore of Satajaan Wetland, which has been polluted over the years. As you can see, there is a railway track just beside the place, and you can tell by the sound of it that it is very frightening and irritating to the migratory birds which comes here every winter. Here is Arindam and Zeba collecting garbage. There is Nabajeet. This is the place which we were talking about. It was very polluted. This is the view of Satajaan Wetland. Here is Anwar.
It will really get Zeba Hanai.
This place will be filled with birds by the end of November.
Hey, fella kunbara nami aha.
The aquatic flowering plant you are seeing in the video is called water hyacinth, which in Assamese we call meteka.
Hey. Yad.
Let me show you a view from the northwestern side of the wetland.
Oh, excellent.
There is another train engine within an hour. We collected a lot of garbage by then. Some among us were collecting garbage from the river.
তাত ভালকৈ বুজাই দিয়া হ'ল নাই
পুৰা কচি মেলি মাৰা মোক
Oi, we almost cleaned every spot. But since there was a party going on in the last spot, we thought of waiting for a while until they finish their lunch. Most of us were getting bored, so we thought of playing a game.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make this happen.
Dipankar Saikia and Debarsish Gogoi had some work, so they had to go earlier than us. They took away a bag full of garbage with them. We found a snake skin while cleaning. I'm not sure, but it is most probably of a king cobra. Comment down which snake do you think it might be of.
Showing off.
Here you can see everyone dancing to the beat of Nahor, a song by our very own Zubinda. Those who don't know Zubin Garg, let me tell you, he is the heartthrob of the people of Assam. He has sung songs in 25 different languages and has a total of over 25,000 songs. We gave away the empty glass bottles collected to this young kid who helped us in cleaning the place, so he could sell it to a ragman and collect some money.
পইচা পাবি বহুত এইটো বেছি দিলে পইচা পাবি চবতে এইটো 100 টকা 100-150 মান টকা পাবি লগৰ নামাতিবি লগৰ মাতিলে তোৰ পইচা ভাগ হৈ যাব তোৰ পইচা তাকো দিব লাগিব তেতিয়া তই অকলে লৈ যা পইচা পাই যাবি চব নিব পাৰিবা নাই লাগেনে নাই পইচা পাবা কিন্তু
As you can see, there were many garbage bags. It was not possible for us to carry all the garbage bags on our bikes. So Anwar helped us with his car to carry the garbage bags to the municipality dumping ground. So here we end our cleanup drive by disposing of the garbage collected from Satajaan Wetland and Ranganadi River, the municipality dumping ground.
এই তাত অলপ দূৰলৈ পেলাই দিয়াবি আগে পেলাই দিয়া
ৰাবাৰ গ্লভছটো পেলাই দিম